Hi guys, Mike Chase here. Just give you a quick scoot round on the aviary and my setup and what have you. Come straight in through the door here, which is a double door, and that leads out onto the lean-to. This area here on the left hand side, it's just bits and pieces, washing up, sink, etc, etc. Wouldn't be without the sink now, I have to say. Then we move along on the left hand side and we've got the bench here that I do bits and pieces with, and up there is the air vac, which I have to admit is not doing as much as it should. Perhaps because when I put the extension on this, it's got too much to deal with. I won't show my birds that I'm putting into the show at the weekend. I don't think that's right. But anyway, these are my these are a few of the youngsters that I've had this year. I don't think you can see them that well actually. Let's have a quick look. Let's go inside the cage here. So there's just a few there that there's nothing really outstanding. I don't think. But anyway, that's those. On the end here I've got 3 breeding pairs. I've got a pair up there, which are showing me 3 or 4 youngsters. There's 3 in there, and then there's one in there somewhere. I can't reach, to be honest. Such a short house. Anyway, then we move down, and this is the pair that's given me the yellow blue. Lovely pair of greens, and these are the 2 youngsters. This light green, I think actually is a cracker, but just a little bit keyholey, I think. And then let's have a quick look. Get off. Come on. Oh. And then here's the blue white. Very nice. Right, come on, you can get off now. Okay, so and then I put this pair down just because they made up in the flight. I was actually going to get rid of this grey green because I'm not, you know, he's royal flecked, and you know what my opinions on flecked birds is. Apart from that, he ain't a bad bird, but it paired up naturally in the flight, so I just sort of let them go. Not an ideal pairing. There she is. She's a well-bred, and there's me egg. She laid that about 2 hours ago. Right, so that more or less is about it. Storage underneath is where I keep my show cages, which haven't come out this year, and the rest of the flight. Some terrible wasted space here underneath. They're only half flights, but I intend to move all of this, make it, not move it, change it to make it into full depth flights. So have a quick look in here, and then so don't get too bored, some of the birds that I've got in here. There's the bob hole for the flight outside, and there's a few more birds there. So I hope you enjoyed my little jaunt around the bird room, and I'll be doing a bit of blogging. Cheers guys.